In a sunny garden lived a tiny seed named Bella. Bella often watched the tall trees and blooming flowers, wishing she could grow as big and beautiful as them. "You're just a little seed," teased the flowers. "You'll never be as tall as us." Bella felt small and unimportant, but dreamed of one day proving them wrong. One day, a kind gardener knelt beside Bella. "Every big tree starts as a small seed," he said, gently planting her into soft soil. "But what if I never grow?" Bella asked timidly. The gardener smiled. "Growth takes time, patience, and courage. Trust yourself and the sun above you." Days turned into weeks, and Bella worked hard, stretching her roots deeper into the earth. Rain poured down and the wind howled, making Bella's little sprout bend and sway. "This is too hard," thought Bella, but she remembered the gardener's words, "Trust the sun." So Bella kept growing, inch by inch, pushing toward the sky. One morning, Bella stretched her leaves toward the warm sun and realized she was no longer a tiny seed. She was a strong, young plant, standing taller than the flowers that once teased her. "How did you do it?" the flowers asked in surprise. Moral of the story: even the smallest seed can grow into something extraordinary with courage and determination.
We will meet again next time with another exciting story. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.